Hello, Mr. D here with the cello walkthrough tutorial of Lift Every Voice. This is a little bit awkward. I'm setting this cello on my chair and angling the iPad so I can get all the fingerings and the tapes. I hope that you can see. So as we mentioned, we start with the low one on the A string, and then we move it to the first finger tape, and then we go to the string, another low one, but then you have to stretch for the, so make sure that you practice that stretch. The normal one, G, low on G, and then you switch. Low one, now this is C, and then you have a C sharp. That's a high 4. What we refer to high 4 is you have 1, 3, and 4. High 4 is here. That's 14. Now low one. Another low one. Stretch. Now 27, you have low 1. This is the same as D sharp. E flat and D sharp are the same thing. Switch. Switch rhythm. Low one, low one, again A string, 2 this time. Now low one, normal, 63, low one, this first note on the C string. Now low one. This time is 2. 77 is because of the key change, we have no trees unless they're specifically written. That's very interesting here at 83. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, D, D, E, 2, 2, and now 2 on the G string. Now go on the C string. You would have a 3, 3, 4, oh, 4, oh, 4. Now careful with a 91. You have a low one. You have to stretch. You have to put 3 on the 4th finger tape, so it's super extension. So jump and jump back. This position is a stretchy position for a cello player. Low 1, 2, 4 to get the 4th finger in tune, and then 4, 4. Now you have to do kind of like go in position. You have to go and put the 3rd position. You have to put your 1st finger on the C. This is usually your 4th finger on the G string, and right there, count with me, 91, 92, 93. You have to, I know it says 4, but you have to put the 1st finger to get the position right, and then you have to play. So C, D flat, hold on, I got mixed up. So you have to put your 1st finger on the D flat, sorry. Those are the notes, sorry. I was thinking for a moment in viola clef. So if this is your 1st finger C, then half step higher, so that's your D flat, D flat, D flat. Now F flat is a same thing as, and then you go back. So you have a C flat, which would be the same thing as B natural, and you move it. So the most difficult part is really getting that 1st finger on the C sharp or D flat, and to learn the new position. Okay, and then 97. Now stretch. For that's a high 4. A flat is the same as G sharp. Back to A flat. Now back to